They say, hey, Yoruba teachers, they are tough. Ẹ̀yin tèmi lórí YouTube ṣe wà. Lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà. I welcome you back to my channel. God bless you for stopping by and watching my videos. God bless you. I thank you. I check my channel. I now have 80 something subscribers. Oh, that's so huge to me. Yes, it means a lot to me. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn the notification button. Today I'll be talking about occupation. I'll be translating them to Yoruba language. I have 33 occupations that I'll be translating to Yoruba language. Enjoy the program. The first occupation is farmer. Farmer is agbe. Journalist is oníròyìn. You can say akọ̀ròyìn. Then broadcaster is Agbóhùnsáféfé. Agbóhùnsáféfé. It might not necessarily mean that person is saying is reading the news. It might be other things. So it's Agbóhùnsáféfé generally. That is broadcaster. So also I have presenter. Presenter is someone who presents program on either radio station or TV station. So that is presenter. Presenter is Atókùn. Some people mix it up with Olóòtú. User is Olóòtú, while presenter is Atókùn. Yeah. Then also I have author. Author is Òǹkọ̀wé. Publisher is Òǹtẹ̀wé. Electrician is electrician, or you can call them oníṣẹ́, but they don't like being called oníṣẹ́. You know what that means. So carpenter is gbẹ́nàgbẹ́nà is carpenter. Bricklayer is bíríkìlà. We call them bíríkìlà or ọ̀mọ̀lé. The indigenous name for bricklayer is ọ̀mọ̀lé. Fashion designer is Amúnidára. Hairdresser is onídìrí. Doctor is oníṣègùn òyìnbó or dókítà. We can call them dókítà. That is is a borrowed language. It's a borrowed word. You can watch my video, one of my videos about borrowed language, about borrowed words, loaned words in Yoruba language. I'll leave the description. I will leave the link in the description down below. Then we have pharmacist. Pharmacist is Atókùn. Pharmacist is Atókùn òyìnbó. Artisan in Yoruba is oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́. That is manual worker. Oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́, artisan. Artisan is oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́ in Yoruba language. Investigator in Yoruba language is Òtelèmúyé. Investigator is Òtelèmúyé. Police is ọlọ́pàá. Soldier is sọ́jà or ológun. Soldier, or you can say ológun. Then civil servant is oníṣẹ́ ìjọba. Oníṣẹ́ ìjọba or òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba. Actor is òṣèré orí ìtàgé. That's actor. Now clown is a comedian. You can say comedian or clown. That is adẹ́rìn pòṣónú, adẹ́rìn pa òṣónú. Pilot is awakọ̀ ojú òfurufú, awakọ̀ ojú òfurufú. Professor is ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n, professor is ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n. Then doctor, that is when we're talking about the PhD doctors, not the medical doctor now. We call them ọ̀mọ̀wé. Ọ̀mọ̀wé, we call them ọ̀mọ̀wé. Accountant, accountant is olùṣírò owó. What is politician in Yoruba? Politician in Yoruba is olóṣèlú, olóṣèlú, because politics is òṣèlú. So politician is olóṣèlú. Welder, welder in Yoruba language is ajórin, ajórin. That is welder, ajórin. Trader is oníṣòwò, oníṣòwò, oníṣòwò. That's trader. Trader is oníṣòwò. What do we call engineer? Engineer in Yoruba language. Engineer is onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ, onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ. That is engineer in Yoruba language. Butcher, butcher. Butcher in Yoruba language is alápatà, alápatà. Now let me ask you a question. What do you hear about Yoruba teachers? Yoruba teachers, some people will say, oh, Yoruba teachers, they are tough, Yoruba teachers, oh, you know, they are not easy to understand, they are this, they are that. But I don't know why most students, or let me use the word, they don't have much interest in Yoruba language. Why? They hate Yoruba class, especially when they see that they have Yoruba language as double period. You to remember now, remember those days when you were in secondary school. Do you used to run away from Yoruba class? Some people lose interest in Yoruba language because of the tonal mark. The tonal mark, that is amiohun, do, re, mi. They hate that. They can't comprehend. Why? And it's very, very simple. One of these days, I'll be bringing the video on amiohun, because you can't really understand Yoruba language if you don't know if you don't understand the tonal marks, because Yoruba is a tonal language, you know. If you can't place the tonal mark very well, that means you will destroy the whole meaning of what you are about to say. Major problem most Yoruba students have with Yoruba, the tonal marks. Some people can't comprehend. They can write well, but you know, when there is no tonal mark, it loses its meaning. So one of these I'm going to bring it. So what is teacher in Yoruba? Teacher is olùkọ́. And when you hear olùkọ́, what comes to your mind? Olùkọ́ Yoruba. That's Yoruba teacher comes to your mind. Now, that's the end of the video today, my people. Some other time I'll be coming back to your screen to give you another educative and entertaining program on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can use this time to subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.